You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn, by the way, more names from soccer or football, as we say in Europe, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced, stay tuned. You'll want to watch those. FIFA, that's how it's usually pronounced in English. That's the English pronunciation. Of course, it's coming up in 2026, and every 4 years, the FIFA World Cup. FIFA. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.